Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. Today we're going to be making some ham and turkey cheese sliders. They are so delicious and easy to make. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that red subscribe button so you guys don't miss any future videos. Let's get started. So the ingredients that you'll need are some king Hawaiian rolls, some sliced turkey and ham deli meat, and some cheddar cheese, and some mayonnaise and honey mustard. And for the glaze, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of parsley. And then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and we're going to mix this all together in this bowl. I am all about easy cleanup, so I'm going to put some tin foil on my pan. I'm going to put a little bit of cooking spray on it. Now I'm going to cut my Hawaiian rolls down the center. So I quickly greased my pan, and now I'm about to put the bottom of the layer of the buns down first. Next I'm going to put some mayonnaise on the bottom layer of the rolls. Next, I'm going to put a layer of cheese on top. Next, I'm going to put a slice of turkey and ham on top of the cheese. And if you don't have any sliced ham or turkey, any type of cooked meat would work great with this dish. Now I'm going to add 1 more layer of cheese, and we're going to put this right on top of the ham and turkey. And I did run out of the sliced cheese, so I just added some shredded cheese on top. Next, I'm going to put some honey mustard on the other side of the rolls, and this just makes the sandwich so much better. If you don't have honey mustard, you guys can definitely use any type of mustard you want. Next, we're going to make our glaze. First, I need to melt my butter. Once my butter is melted, I'm going to add the garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley and mix it all together. And last, I'm going to add the Worcestershire sauce to the mix. We're going to set our oven to 350 degrees. And now I'm going to put the glaze right on top of the buns. I'm going to let it sit there for a few minutes. And this glaze is what makes the sandwich taste so amazing. And this dish is such a crowd pleaser. You can make this for a family gathering, a birthday party, a game night with friends. It's so simple and easy to make. Next, I'm going to cover the pan with some tin foil, and I'm going to bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. Once the 15 minutes are done, you're going to take the foil off and let it bake for another 3 minutes. And these ham and turkey cheese sliders smell so amazing, and you can have it with any sides you want. And that is it, you guys. These look so yummy. We're gonna have this with a side salad and chips, and the kids are so super excited about this. All right, that is it for this recipe. I hope you guys give it a try. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that red subscribe button so I can catch you guys in the next video. Bye!